Ciao. My name is Leonardo da Vinci and it is the year 1505. I find myself fortunate to be living in the breathtaking city of Firenze, Italy. Here, creativity thrives, and the air is thick with inspiration. Every day, I wake up surrounded by my sketches, plans, and the inventions that fill my mind. As I sit in my workshop, my eyes wander across the room. There are intricate models of flying machines hanging from the ceiling, gears and mechanisms scattered on the table, and shelves lined with countless notebooks filled with my observations. The world is my canvas, and I am its curious observer. In my mind, I envision a world where anything is possible. It fascinates me to discover the hidden wonders of nature and ponder how I can recreate them through my art and inventions. My sketches often explore the intricacies of human anatomy, capturing the essence of life and movement. I believe that understanding the human body will unlock secrets that will enhance the quality of life for all. I reach for my quill and begin to jot down my thoughts. Today, I am designing a new type of armor that allows for greater mobility on the battlefield. It combines strength and flexibility, making it a formidable defense for any soldier. As my hand moves across the paper, my imagination takes flight. I can already see the knights wearing this innovative armor, moving gracefully against their adversaries. Just outside my workshop, I can hear the bustling sounds of the city. Merchants calling out their goods, children laughing, and the chimes of church bells fill the air. Embracing every moment, I absorb these sounds. They become a symphony that fuels my creativity, an endless source of inspiration that guides me on my quest for understanding. Beyond my fascination with invention and art, I am deeply connected to the natural world. I observe the birds soaring through the sky, their graceful movements inspiring my flying machine designs. I study the flow of water in rivers, admiring its power, and envisioning how it can be harnessed for the benefit of society. Nature, to me, is a master teacher, and I am its willing student. As the sun starts to set, casting a warm glow over my workshop, I pause and reflect on the wonders of the world. My mind is a labyrinth of ideas, constantly seeking new paths of exploration. It is this insatiable curiosity and boundless imagination that drive me forward. Today, just like any other day, I am filled with a sense of purpose. The possibilities are endless, and I am eager to embark on new adventures of discovery. With each invention and stroke of my brush, I strive to leave a mark on the world, to ignite the flame of knowledge in others, and to inspire generations to come. Thanks for exploring my world with me. Arrivederci.